Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to share with you something new that I have been trying since last few weeks. So this is the title, The World Beyond Amazon KDP. Why I am saying this is because I am trying something new to have more control over what I am doing. Because KDP can suspend or terminate my account anytime, because that's the KDP's game, not ours, and we are playing their game. So they can kick out us anytime. So that's why I am building something that is solid. So I am trying something new to have more control over what I am doing. Secondly, I want to build a solid online business that no one can take from me. Most importantly, I want to diversify my online so that I do not rely on one platform only. That is what I highly recommend you to as well. If you are just starting, then keep focusing on KDP, then start making some money, then try something along the side, because you cannot rely on one platform only. Try KDP first, at least 6 months to 1 year, and then start a second thing. So I have been in the KDP business since last 5 years. That's why I have been running a blog, a YouTube channel, and now I have started doing something totally different. What is that? Let me share with you. That is the email I send to my subscribers starting from here. Earning passive income through Amazon KDP has been truly magical for me. However, the fact of the matter is relying merely on KDP is a big mistake in itself. Let's face it, due to some silly mistake, I can lose my KDP account and there goes all my hard work. Sounds harsh, but it is true. Therefore, I have been exploring the world outside of KDP to build a solid backup passive income for me and my family. I recently came across Jonathan Montoya's 3-day business breakthrough challenge and found it really interesting. With that 3-day business breakthrough challenge, you can build your residual income until it surpasses your monthly expenses. It is in-depth 3-day training program to build a passive income system using email marketing coupled with affiliate marketing. Jonathan has shown a step-by-step process that he followed himself to leave his 9-to-5 engineering job and to be his own boss. So if you are interested in this 3-day business breakthrough challenge, then I want to show you this, that I have enrolled into this. This only costs you $7. This is day 1, day 2 and day 3. This is the very first day. On day 1, Jonathan walks you through these basics of email marketing and how you can do affiliate marketing the right way. This is 54 minutes long in-depth tutorial. That day he also gives you the downloadable resources, also asks you to go into the Facebook group and post your ideas or comments, and then he also gives you 14 days trial to ClickFunnels. This is the second day on the second day he actually builds a funnel inside ClickFunnels and shows you step-by-step process how you can create your own funnel. He also gives you the exact funnel that you can copy, and he also hands over to you the lead magnet that you can send to your subscriber as a free gift and build your online income in the form of email marketing and affiliate marketing. He gives you everything to start your business during this 3-day business challenge. On day 3, he also shows you different ways to get traffic to your funnel and start building your email list and start getting affiliate sales. So this is really helpful. I am using this and to build my email list and to make affiliate sales. So then again, here is the become a freedom breakthrough affiliate. You can also become their affiliate, and here is step-by-step video how to be their affiliate and how to promote this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I am already affiliated with this, and here is the bonus section. Here, super bonus white label ebook and funnel to promote multiple programs. Here he gives you the book he has written to teach you the affiliate marketing, that is 7 steps to be a super affiliate. He also gives you this book for free. You are allowed to share this book with your audience. You are also allowed to add your own affiliate links. This is extremely helpful, and if you want to build something permanent or that is long term and you don't want to rely on Google ads, Facebook ads or Amazon KDP or any third platform, in this way you will have your own email list so that you can monetize it anytime and you can send them an email in one click. So let me show you. Here you can see I have been building my email list since July. There are 871 total subscribers. Average open rate is 32%. Average click-through rate is 12.62%. And the email sends are 11,326. And today's subscribers are 5. These are from my blog. I am giving away my 15 KDP interiors that I usually sell on Creative Fabrica. I can show you. This is my blog, and when you are through all this post and you go down to the bottom of post, here you will see this email sign up form that is from ConvertKit. Here you can enter your first name and here you can enter your email, and you can click on download and you will receive an email with 15 KDP templates. That is the lead magnet I am using to build my email list, and you can do the same. You can do it better and in an advanced way by going through this program, that is 3-day business breakthrough challenge. That is very wonderful, and I am following these same steps to build my email list, and I am making it better and more advanced. This list is mine forever, and I can send email to 871 people at once, and I will have my own visitors and my own followers and my own subscribers. That is under my own control. So I highly recommend you to try something different or go through this freedom breakthrough challenge. That is 3-day challenge, and it will only cost you $7. The link is in the description below. It is an affiliate link, and I hope you will love this. And also watch my next video that teaches you step-by-step process to earn passive income through Creative Fabrica. Thanks for watching. See you again.